Would you go shopping without your wallet? No way. You never would go shopping without your wallet. Hey, Gary McGowan here with another Roadside Chat. And I'm talking about going to look at homes without talking to the bank first. We want to talk to the bank so we know what type of homes and what value of homes we can go look at. Incredibly important, because once we go talk to the bank or mortgage broker, they'll pre-qualify us and give us criteria on the price range we can look at. And at the end of the day, that gives us leverage, because as a buyer, we want to be pre-qualified. It's so important in today's market because that gives us leverage, as I said. And when we go submit offers, we can have the conversation with the sellers to say, yes, we've been to the bank, they pre-qualified us, and we are ready to buy. So don't go shopping without your wallets. Don't go buying without talking to a mortgage broker first. That's Gary McGowan with another Roadside Chat, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.